Okay, so I'm gonna take you guys to Namsan,
Okay.
which is you guys can see Seoul Tower.
Okay.
And
We saw it on the car ride. We saw the tower.
Yeah. Yeah.
And we're gonna take the subway.
full moon.
Oh, we are?
Oh,
Full moon.
Wow. That is.
Okay, can you explain?
We're taking the subway there,
Okay.
and it's rush hour right now, so it's kind of packed.
Okay.
So just go slow. Take your time.
Okay.
Don't care about anyone else around. Just
Okay.
go slow. Okay.
Okay.
And then we'll take cab to cable car, and then cable car.
Okay.
Top.
Okay.
Go to your walking shoes. Good.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
let's
we're
do it.
gonna take subway
Take subway to where?
to Namsan Tower.
Seoul Tower.
Seoul Tower. And then you go through the little thing,
Yep.
and then when you get out of it,
Yeah.
you do the same thing.
Oh,
Just
Oh, you
same
have to scan on, scan off?
Yes.
Good.
Easy.
So you
Good
pay
job.
both
is
ways?
that how they know how much to charge you
Yes.
for how far you've gone? Got it.
Oh, okay.
Did it.
Dan, what do you think of Korean subway?
God, it looks super efficient. Quick, easy, clean.
Like basement on another country, right?
Yeah, you could live down here and never see the light of day like a Banjer or a mall.
What does it smell like?
What does it smell like?
Yes. It's an important question.
What does it smell
Yeah,
like?
it's hard. It smells like my mask.
The subways in like America, they smell like pee.
Yeah.
Yeah. New York.
Yeah. So it's like so clean.
Clean Korean subway.
Yes.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, everything's clean. You don't see any trash and there's no trash cans. So what do people do with their trash
There
here?
are trash in this here. There.
I did Budapest by myself. Of course, that wasn't that difficult.
Yeah. They're experienced travelers. They can do subways.
Perfect timing.
Yes, hooray!
We made it. Does it seem confusing so far?
No.
Well, yeah, once you get a little hang of it.
Yeah. It makes, yeah.
Makes sense. Directions are really good.
Dad, does it does it sound like loud in here or quiet? What's the atmosphere
Oh.
like?
Surprisingly low sound.
Yeah.
Yeah, quiet to medium. Yeah, I would say.
What are people like doing while they're in the subway? What are they reading a book? What are they doing?
No, everybody's on their phones. I'm surprised we get reception down here.
You have free Wi-Fi.
Oh, the Wi-Fi. So everybody goes on Wi-Fi. Okay.
How was Korean subway experience?
Good.
Good?
Yeah. Easy.
It's seamless.
Easy peasy,
If
but
you have a
really
guide.
good.
Yeah, if you have a guide.
Well, when someone tells you know, look for these signs. Yeah. So it'd be really important to map it out before you go there, so you know which ones to look for and where to get off. You know.
And we have elevator, escalator.
Yeah, love that.
Yes. So right now we're in Myeongdong, and normally it's packed with people, like so busy.
Yeah.
But now with pandemic, it's empty.
Nice.
So-
I mean, is it good?
Not good for businesses,
Oh.
Good for us.
but good for us because we don't like crowds.
Yeah.
So
와, 명동에 사람이 없습니다.
yeah, 사람 없어.
오, 진짜.
Wow, it's super. Like even all the little like stands are all gone too. Wow,
와.
crazy.
Oh, I love it.
Magical land of lights.
Magical lights.
Very holiday.
Like Christmas.
I love it. This is like, Namsantawo is kind of like couples. Yeah. It's like romantic spot.
It is very romantic.
Where the ferries?
Can you buy a ticket?
Maybe.
네. 4명이요.
52,000원이고요. 지금 올라가면 늦어서 타워 쪽 입장은 안 돼요.
So it's our first time.
First time taking
Yeah.
cable car.
다니엘이랑 저도 처음으로 와봤어요.
We've climbed it twice.
Is this your first time too?
Yes. We usually just climb.
So you have done the climb before?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this.
Okay.
Hold on.
Actually, I scared of heights.
I am too.
Are you too?
Oh,
Oh,
yeah. You should see me when I go skiing.
But she went skydiving, so.
That wasn't. No, no, it was bad. It was really bad. I was in shock though. That's why it happened.
Don't say those
Don't say
things.
that. Well, okay.
Oh, I hate
Don't
it.
put down. Don't.
Yeah, it's scaring me.
Don't.
Okay, don't let that.
Look up.
어머머머.
Look up. Okay, look up. Think winning the lottery.
Okay, winning the lottery. Wow.
Oh boy. Let's go buy a parachute now.
아, 엄마 걱정했는데 다행이다.
다행이다.
She made it.
Yes.
어머니가 장모님이 다리가 안 좋으셔서.
We won't go up.
Yeah.
Closed.
They have an elevator, right? Do we go up there?
Closed.
Closed?
Yes.
What?
But the view is, I've never gone up myself.
Oh,
But view here is good too. There.
View here is really good.
These are all like couples thing.
they have that in France. Paris.
Oh. I saw people buy locks. I'm going, why would you buy locks? Huh?
For this.
Look at down there. Oh,
Oh, wow.
yeah.
Wonder.
It's really dark over there.
I suppose if I do video again, it's gonna go.
Yeah,
It's gonna put on my.
Video is this.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's video.
But if I turn it on, it's gonna.
And behind
Do I have to turn off the flash?
How was the cable car?
Well,
Our first ever.
first one, it was so fast
Yeah.
and quick and effortless. But then you were grabbing onto me because you said, oh, what's up that?
Then, how Seoul City, night city,
It's very high.
very high.
And whether or not you know it, it's a 5-kilometer walk up from the street below to the top of the Space Needle. All stairs. But it's worth it. It's an amazing view.
Yeah, it's really great.
Mom, do you think it's worth it?
Yes. Well, ask me tomorrow.
Okay. But we're proud of you.
Oh.
We made
yes,
it.
But
Wow, this wall started in 1396.
Oh, see? Yes.
Is this part of the original wall?
Yeah.
You're right, Mom.
Yep.
You're right.
I thought this would be, if I was going to protect the city, I would build a fortress up here because you could see the enemies coming from any direction.
King Sejong, he's the one that invented Hangul, the letter alphabet system.
Yes. Wow. Yeah, I love this.
Well, longer than this. It served as a city wall for 514 years, longer than any other city walls in the world.
Oh, I believe it. Wow.
Wow.
That is really cool. Wow.
Welcome till they drop.
Do you have this kind of tower in Houston? Like Houston Tower?
No.
No.
Yeah, and I think Houston is only like maybe 100 years old. It's a baby.
Compared to Korea.
It is. This is
Baby
like,
city.
This is like great-grandfather.
Great-
Great-grandfather. And then we have Houston who's still
Hey, so how was Namsan?
Good.
Honestly.
Honestly?
Yes.
Honestly, what's Namsan?
Oh.
Oh, it's just...
I had no idea. We're like in the center of Seoul,
Yeah.
and 360 anywhere you look.
Oh no,
I
Korean
just love
men.
strangers. Korean men are so friendly.
Korean stranger.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, no, it's. I'm glad we came up here. Let's go.
Say 집에 가자.
Ube,
집에 가자.
두배
두배.
차자.
집에
Jube,
집에 가자.
Jube
kata.
Good enough. Good.
How do you say? How do you say?
집에 가자.
집에 가자.
We can look back someday.